This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at a Dr. Pepper Cherry American Football Edition. The Dr. Pepper Cherry has been requested for me to review, and it has been on the to review list for quite some time now. But today the wait is finally coming to an end, and I'm going to take a look at this with you together. Let's zoom in on the ingredients list here in German. Pause if you want to take a look at that, and pause if you want to take a look at the nutrition table right there. Very nutritious indeed. Maybe, possibly not. Not in the most positive senses. Maybe quite a bit of energy, I suppose. Right, 27 kilocalories, 400 milliliters. Not too bad. It's a single use can deposit of 25 cents here in Germany, and yeah, it's nice that this is one of these like more classic form factor cans. I'm not really the biggest fan, I should say, of these thinner, taller ones. Dr. Pepper over here seems to stick to the more classic, wider, shorter ones. Now let us crack this open. Wow, nice crack, nice fizz. Yes, scent-wise. Oh, yes. I really do enjoy Dr. Pepper in terms of scent, probably more than any other American-style soda pop out there. Because it reminds me of these cherry lollipops that we used to have with Weckmann. So here in Germany we have this tradition, Saint Martin, I guess. There's this tale about him, and we celebrate his good deeds on during a week sort of in November of every year. And then you get a Weckmann, which is a little man, usually about this size, made out of dough, and he's got a little lollipop quite often, and 2 raisins as eyes. And when he doesn't have a lollipop, then he does have one of these pipes, like a mini ceramic pipe. Maybe he has got both. I'm not sure about that. But this particular tradition is slowly starting to fade, and over here in town where I live, the whole thing, there was a big like football ground, and there the whole school would go to, and then everybody gets a free Weckmann, a little bread man with that particular lollipop, and it always smelled like this. And this one here is actually more intense. The regular Dr. Pepper smells like this, and the cherry one seems to be even more intense, and I love this particular scent. Flavor-wise, it is not as interesting usually as the cherry lollipop. More watery for some reason. Not quite sure why that is. It is brown though. It's not very red cherry colored. It's more brown. Looks like Coca-Cola. But it does have the ever so, well, maybe it's just me thinking about it, but maybe like an ever so slightly bronze reddish tone to it when you look through it. I don't know whether or not that comes through on the camera at all. Now let's go for the first taste test of the Dr. Pepper Cherry. So, yeah, as usual with Dr. Pepper, when you drink it out of the glass, it is a lot less exciting than it is to drink it out of the can. I wash this can off, but usually when I buy these at the shops, I try not to like put my lips here or everywhere, because people touch them, and people touch all sorts of stuff, and I don't want to touch with my mouth what a lot of other people touched. So yeah, I usually avoid that and use a glass instead. But the best, I guess, Dr. Pepper experience comes from drinking this straight out of the can, because it seems that it somehow maybe gets more of the scent into the nose. I don't know what it is. It just usually feels better. Let's see if this is the same. This is the same. Yes. it is a bit more, yes, it is more pleasant to drink it out of the can. Maybe it's placebo. Maybe this is just something that the brain does itself. Maybe there is no actual difference in the intake of the aroma, both nasally and orally. But it feels a bit different, a bit better when you drink it out of the can, at least for me. But maybe it's just, again, me talking about it and then hyping myself up about it. One thing that I do notice when I drink it out of the glass is that it doesn't only have the, well, it does have the regular flavor, I guess, but it also has this weird sort of hollow, non-sugar, like zero flavor to it. Maybe you have it back in the day, well, back in the day, when they came out with Coke Zero here in Germany for the first couple of months and years. It was my favorite Coca-Cola, but when I tried it years later again, it tasted terribly, and I think it's down to the artificial flavoring they use with that particular drink that makes it taste that particular way. But this one here does have sugar in it, and it also has this particular aftertaste that I really do not enjoy at all. I do not know which one it is. That's the terrible one. I mean, here it says the sweetness are this and sucrose. I don't want to like pronounce this in an English way because sometimes it's a completely different word and sometimes it isn't, and I never really know what it is. And I'm not a chemistry student, I study biology still, but I'm going to be finished sometime soon, I hope. Overall though, yeah, flavor-wise, out of the can, it is alright. It is out of the glass though, let's check again. It does have this sort of weird, awful Coke Zero aftertaste to it. Mm. Now it's a bit less pronounced. Yeah, this zero flavor though, it was there on the first couple of sips, quite dominantly. Now it's not much pronounced at all, which is interesting. Yeah, but overall, I have to say that the scent of this particular drink is heavenly. I love it because it reminds me of these cherry mini lollipops, and the flavor of those, oh, that would be fantastic if they just put the flavor of those into a soda. That would be peak soda for me personally. But overall, I still think that this is okay. Didn't really like the aftertaste of it in the first couple of sips, but overall, I would give this a 7 out of 10. Flavor-wise, it's always a bit disappointing, but then again, that's also because I've got so high hopes when I experience this scent for the first time again in what is usually a couple of months in between. So yes, the scent is heavenly. Flavor is, it's okay. It's not terrible, but it's not fantastic either. Overall, yeah, I think 7 out of 10 is a decent rating, an appropriate rating for the Dr. Pepper Cherry American Football Edition. And I think this is where I'm going to end this particular video. If you have got a question or a video suggestion, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then.